And so we've created this platform for innovation, but we've also created a platform for people. And this is where our commitment is to connect people with jobs of the future. I think that this next step, announcing today our partnership with Grand Valley State University, is pivotal for us.
I have to tell you, one of the ways you get ready for the workforce of the future is to be sure that you're exposed to it. That's why this place is brilliant, right? Because you're seeing all of these startups. You're able to get your hands into the work. You're able to test yourself and your thinking about what that looks like for you. And so being here will also mean that we'll participate in the application of research, we'll participate in the innovation ecosystem, we'll participate in the youth programming, and we'll be bringing our offerings to adults who are location bound and need it here. And we're going to be here. This is not our first foray into Detroit. In fact, 45% of our students come from the Southeast side. And we are in a number of locations, but we're super excited to be here with you today and to be announcing this partnership.
We want these learners to walk alongside us and help us understand everything that we're missing so that we can create that unobstructed pathway that I spoke about earlier. But we don't want to do it to them. We want to do it alongside as we're working to glean great information from them, truly listening and changing and shifting how higher ed is operating. I talk to many legacy Detroiters, right? They don't want to go anywhere. They love Detroit, and I love Detroit. And so to be able to bring these opportunities to these legacy Detroiters so that they can continue to grow and build an even stronger Detroit, that's a tremendous piece. And I think, again, our opportunity is to be here to listen, to learn, and to shape alongside with them.
The SAT boot camp that TRIO has provided to us has helped me boost my test performance to get a 1270 on the SAT. The Senior Win Series, which takes place every Wednesday with seniors, we take the time out of our days to go through college applications, essays, and also scholarships to help us be more prepared for the future in college. And I know this opportunity in partnership with Michigan Central will help us grow and have more programs and opportunities for the students to experience.
It's around pathways for our students, that we are creating opportunities and partnerships that students don't have to fit in a box. They get to create the box. How about that? You like that? That there are things that they get to do to see this future so bright, and by bringing everybody together helps them see that there are different ways, different pathways that I could take, because we believe that students seldom become what they don't see. So seeing all the people in this room that come to the school, and again, these opportunities means that they can get there, that they have the opportunities, and they can dream and become anything they want.